Turning to other news of the day, big news. Former President Donald Trump is in court today. This is video of him arriving earlier this morning. Now, for the first time in history, a U.S. president is on trial in a criminal court. Connor Hansen has more on the proceedings now underway.
This will not be a quick process. It could take weeks to choose the 12 jurors who will ultimately decide if the former president broke the law.
Nothing like this has ever happened before.
Former President Donald Trump entering a Manhattan court, becoming the first American president to sit as a defendant in a criminal trial.
People that don't necessarily follow or like Donald Trump said this is an outrage that this case was brought.
Inside the courtroom, prosecutors and Trump's lawyers are working through hundreds, potentially thousands of Manhattan residents to select 12 jurors and several alternates. Potential members will first be asked if they can be fair and impartial. Those who say yes will then have to answer 42 more questions. Both sides are looking to eliminate those with potential biases that could affect the outcome of the case.
We want people who are going to be listening to the evidence in this case and understanding the very high burden of proof that the prosecution has here, because this is not an easy case for the prosecution.
The former president is facing 34 felonies, accusing him of falsifying documents to cover up a sex scandal with former adult entertainer Stormy Daniels during his 2016 campaign. Trump has maintained that the case against him is politically motivated.
What we're dealing with here are misdemeanor offenses that through this weird legal alchemical process, Alvin Bragg has attempted to convert into felony offenses.
This is the first of 4 criminal cases against Donald Trump to go to trial. The former president is expected to attend every day of the proceedings. In New York, Connor Hansen, Fox 32, Chicago.